Closet. Today I have a really fun haul for you. I did a bunch of shopping for some home decor for the holidays, and I'm super excited because I love to decorate my home for the seasons, whatever that may be. And Christmas is just the funnest because there's so much out there and there's so much that I can do in my new home. I'm just so excited. So I grabbed a bunch of things from a couple different stores. I went to Walmart, HomeGoods, and Hobby Lobby, and I'm super excited to share them with you today. Let's get into it. I don't know if maybe makes sense to go by store. So let's do Hobby Lobby because that's closest to me on the floor right here. So the first thing I grabbed was this really pretty, so pretty. It's covered in glitter. When anything is covered in glitter, it's better. And it's like just like a cone shape. It looks like a tree. And I also bought a Santa hat, or like a little, yeah, Santa hat to go with it. I'll probably put them on my mantle together. I thought it looked really pretty. The contrast in the glitter and then the knit, the sweater knit, and the fur of the hat, I thought went really cute together. You know, Hobby Lobby's always having a sale, so all of their Christmas stuff was 50% off. I had a 40% off one regular item coupon. That's the same coupon Hobby Lobby has all the time, but I didn't have to use it because everything I purchased was 50% off. So the tree I got for $5. It was originally $9.99, and the Santa hat thingy I got for $7.50. It was originally $14.99. Next from Hobby Lobby, I grabbed this really pretty hanging bow, and I'm gonna do a bow on my front door instead of a wreath because it's so girly. This is really pretty and girly, and I like the bow better than a wreath, so I'm doing a bow. It was $14.99, so again I got it for $7.50 because it was 50% off, and it's just really pretty chunky glitter. So girly and pretty. I love that Justin lets me make everything girly in the house. I'm the only girl in the house. It's only right. Next from Hobby Lobby, I grabbed this sign, and it lights up, and it says joy in big red letters. Can you see that? It says joy, and it's battery operated. I grabbed it so I have a buffet cabinet in my dining room that I like to dress up for the holidays, so I'm gonna throw it on there. This was originally $49.99, so I got it for $25, and I thought that's a really good price. It can also be hung. There's like spots in the back where you can hang it. It'd be really pretty if I hung it above it, but I'm just gonna sit it on top of it. These are really pretty. Yeah, really pretty placemats for my dining room table. They had some like really pretty ones, but I definitely needed ones that I can wipe down because the kids eat it at the dining room table. They eat dinner at the dining room table every day, so I needed one that I can easily wipe down, wipe spills off of, and I just thought it was really pretty and metallic-y, and it's textured. You can see that. And I thought it'd go really pretty on our dining room table. Next, I grabbed these salt and pepper shakers. So cute. For the dining room table. I love them. They're so cute. It's a little gingerbread man and his woman. And these were $7.99, so I got them for about $4. I always have salt and pepper shakers on my dining room table, and they usually go with the theme. When there's like nothing really going on for the month, then it's just regular plain salt and pepper shakers on my dining room table. But usually I have like really cute, fun, themed salt and pepper shakers. The last thing I grabbed was this little nutcracker. So cute, right? Look, it actually works. I was looking for something in like a cobalt blue to match the accents in my living room. So this is for my mantle. I thought it was really cute because it actually works, and it's like the perfect color blue. So now I have a nutcracker. I didn't have a nutcracker before, and he's a cop, so don't come in my house without permission. I went to Walmart. Let me do Walmart really quickly because it's a lot of little knick-knacky things. I grabbed 2 of these, and it's all mixed in now, but this, because as you can see, it's on the tree. So one packet of these came with like just all of the solid color navy blue in a bunch of different shapes. And then these are my favorite ones. The matte ones are super pretty to me. So that was like $4.98, and then I got another little container of the ornaments, and they were like more like specialty ones. It came with this one. It came with these ones, with these pretty iridescent white ones. I buy like a lot of ornaments because I put them like into vases and jars and things like that around the house to kind of bring the tree to the rest of the house, to tie it all together. And then I grabbed a bunch of different like little kind of knick-knacky things again. So like the gold glittered acorns, and you know, some of the sprigs. And I have these, I have like the poles in the front of my house wrapped in garland, and then I have these stuck in them. But I'll also put these like around the house because it kind of just brings the holidays to every room, and some glitter to every room. I love glitter. And these were $1 each. Oh, I grabbed these lights. I grabbed a couple boxes of these. I have blue ones on my mantle, and then I have these white ones, and I have some other ones around the house. These ones are, I think they were like $4. I think they were like $4. They weren't more than $5. So I grabbed a couple boxes of these. It's 100 lights. This is the clear. These are the clear lights. That go well with everything. The clear lights is really cool to buy now because they sell them for like $4, $5 now, and you can use these all year round to add like really pretty lighting to everything. I did go to the dollar store and I grabbed garland. So I have like a bunch of this stuff because it's thin. Look at how thin one sprig is. So I put a bunch of them together when I use it, and it kind of just makes it nice and full and pretty, and it works. Works for me. And then the last place I went to was HomeGoods. And I went to HomeGoods because I went to HomeGoods. Like, you know, like they changed their entire store over for Christmas. So I went to see what they have, and I got a couple things. I grabbed this throw blanket. So pretty. Really nice, pretty plaid. I said this in one of my other hauls before. Like the navy blue and the hunter green plaid is my favorite type of plaid, and this is like really soft. It's so soft. It's a nice throw blanket. I'll add it to my throw blankets that I have, like a little bin with throw blankets in it. I'll add it to that in my living room. I got it for $15. It was on sale. I'm gonna add this because it kind of adds, I don't know why plaid is just so wintry to me, so it's gonna add some winter into my living room. So I grabbed it. I like to change the hand soap and the lotion at my sink in the kitchen. I like to change that over with the holidays. Also, I got this for $7.99, and it's a set of vanilla and almond hand soap, and then the hand lotion that's gonna sit on my sink in the kitchen. And then it comes with this little really pretty gold holder for it, and it has snowflakes in it, which is really pretty because it looks really like wintry. And I will leave this up, I'll leave this in the kitchen for the whole winter because it's not too Christmassy, but it's really like wintry. Then I got a candle also for my mantle that says Mary. It says Mary. It's not a real candle. It's like one of like sort of like a large tea light candle. And it's cool because it has a timer on it. So after 4 hours, it turns off on its own, which is really pretty. So nicely so that it didn't break in the car on the way home. It's really pretty snow globe. So pretty. And on the inside there's a white Christmas tree with a gold star at the top and a bunch of different colored children running around. This is part of the St. Jude's Children's Research Hospital. And the last thing I grabbed were these vases. I went to IKEA to get a clothing rack, and I saw a set of vases. It's 3 vases. So this one in here, the smaller one, and then the bigger, taller one, and then the bigger, short one. And I love vases like this because they're really, really, really versatile. I could do a bunch of things with them. I bought them so I can put ornaments in and place around the house. Like I mentioned before, that's what I do with all the extra ornaments that I buy because the tree is covered already. I still have a bunch of ornaments, but yeah, I like to put them in these vases. I also like to put like what are those things called? What are they called? Jeez, what are they called? What do we call these? What do we call these things? These, what are these? Those things. What are they called? What are they called? How come I can't remember what they're called. But I like to put like those into these vases and put them around the house because it's also very festive and very wintry. It was, I think it was, might have been $14.99 or $19.99 for the 3 cylinders. So that's everything that I grabbed. Again, I went to Walmart, HomeGoods, sort of kind of IKEA. I was at IKEA and I grabbed the vases, and Hobby Lobby. Don't forget, if you're going to Hobby Lobby, to print it out, put it up on your phone, do whatever you have to do. They have a 40% off coupon all the time, and it's for one regular priced item. They have that all the time. And then Hobby Lobby is really, really good at having a 50% off, 40% off, 30% off sale for whatever holiday is currently going, which is so nice, because usually in stores they have like the sale happens like right after the holiday ends, when like nobody's trying to buy that except for people like me that like to buy it and hoard it for the next year. But Hobby Lobby lets you take advantage of the discount and the coupon and whatever during the season, which is really nice. Of course, HomeGoods is like the GOAT, okay? They changed their entire store over for Christmas, and it's so pretty in there. It smells so good in there. I love HomeGoods. I could live there. Dollar Tree never does me wrong. Walmart also never does me wrong. So I had a blast shopping. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you turn on your notification bell. First, you're gonna subscribe right there. Hit that red button, and then you're gonna hit the ding button to also, what is it called? Notification bell. You're gonna hit that button so you are notified when I put up my video of come clean with me, and then also decorate with me for the holidays. I'm super excited. I love Christmas. I love it, I love it, I love it. I had to tell you guys a story about my tree. That looks nice and big in this picture, but it's tiny. My tree's tiny. But I'll tell you about that next time. Till next time, bye.